thank you for joining me again today for this Mindset Mondays video. My name is David Faratian, and today I'd like to talk to you about managing your anxiety with a helpful breathing exercise known as the 4-7-8 breathing technique. 4-7-8 breathing, also known as three-part breathing, involves breathing in for 4 seconds, holding the breath for 7 seconds, and then exhaling for 8. This particular breathing pattern aims to reduce anxiety or help people get to sleep more quickly by triggering the body's parasympathetic system, or relaxation mode. Some proponents even claim that the method can help people to get to sleep in about a minute. There's a lot of anecdotal evidence to suggest that this type of deep rhythmic breathing is not only relaxing, but also can directly, over a period of time, influence anxiety, negative thoughts, overthinking, panic attacks, and even hypertension or high blood pressure. So what exactly is 4-7-8 breathing? The 4-7-8 breathing technique, it requires a person to focus on taking a long, deep breath in, pause, and then breathe slowly out. Rhythmic breathing is a core part of many meditation and yoga practices, as it promotes the reduction in the negative brain chemistry and stress hormones associated with poor mental processing and just general poor functioning. So how do we do this exercise? Well, if you want to participate and follow along, then before starting the breathing pattern, adopt a comfortable sitting position. Ideally, have your back straight and allow your hands to rest lightly on your legs, palms up or down. Now, just empty your lungs of air and breathe in slowly through the nose for 4 seconds. Hold the breath for a count of 7 seconds. And then exhale through the mouth slowly, pursing the lips and imagining that you're blowing out candles on a birthday cake. That's all you do. So let's do that now. Empty your lungs completely. And breathe in slowly through the nose for 4 seconds. That's it. Hold the breath for a count of 7 seconds. Good. Now exhale through the mouth slowly, pursing your lips and imagining you're blowing out candles on a birthday cake for about 8 seconds. That's right, and if you want to close your eyes, you can do this again with me now. So again, empty the lungs completely of any air and breathe in slowly through the nose for 4 seconds. Hold that breath for a count of 7 seconds. And then exhale through the mouth slowly, pursing the lips and imagining that you're blowing out those candles on a birthday cake for about 8 seconds. That's right, good. So the normal experience for most people is an immediate sense of lightness and a sense of feeling sedated, less thoughts, and with practice you may even notice better concentration, better memory, clearer thinking. So exactly how can this benefit you long term? Well, the total number of seconds that the pattern lasts for is less important than keeping the ratio, and a person who can't always hold their breath for that long may try a shorter pattern, and instead maybe you want to try something like this. Breathe in through the nose for 2 seconds, hold the breath for a count of 4 seconds, and then exhale through the mouth for a period of about 6 seconds. Using this 4-7-8 breathing in conjunction with other mind-body practices like Tai Chi or yoga may even help reduce stress even further. So there's often a strong association between this kind of helpful breathing technique, like the 4-7-8 breathing technique, and other relaxation practices or techniques, and you may have undoubtedly heard of some of these. Some people couple this breathing with the kinds of practices like guided imagery, or maybe even progressive muscle relaxation, and the area that I specialize in, which is mindfulness. As with any of these techniques that we cover, especially here on this channel, it's always about just doing it and not questioning how you're doing it. So when we think about the long-term aspect of this, results will be limited if you only do this a couple of times. But if you were to practice this for, say, 28 days to a month, then you can certainly expect to notice physiological benefits and certainly mental ones. To find out more about these practices, then please do take a look at my other videos in this particular series, Mindset Mondays, that are available here on YouTube. And if this is your first time here, then I would encourage you to keep informed of future videos by simply remembering to hit that subscribe button and to hit the little bell icon to stay notified of anything that I might produce in the future. For now at least, this is David Faratian, and wishing you a very peaceful day wherever you are. Thank you so much for listening.